If you have been toying around with the idea of starting on YouTube, but you're not sure what you're going to do, what you would share, how to even get started, then that's why I'm creating this channel. This is the first of hopefully many videos, but we'll see what God does, of talking about what I wish I knew when I first started with YouTube and breaking it down and making it very simple. There are so many people on YouTube that talk about how to make it on YouTube, how to earn money, and there's so many ways to talk about it. And those people have a ton more experience, and I don't want to ever compete with them. But most recently, I've been working with a friend who has a fitness program in business and was moving from Instagram to YouTube. And she reached out to me because I've had a channel, and she's like, I don't even know where to start. It's so overwhelming. How long does it really take? Because I need to see results in my business. And I was like, it actually takes a long time. It took me 3 years to get you started with YouTube, but I also learned a lot along the way that I wish I knew. We all have those stories where we don't know what we don't know. And so I wish I knew certain things going into it. I actually didn't buy a program to help me navigate YouTube until a year into the journey, which I regret doing. But again, I didn't have the money to invest or didn't think it was valuable. So that's what I want to do on this channel. I want to help people who want to have faith-based outreach or faith-based values as they share on YouTube. One of my biggest struggles is as I was creating my content, I didn't know who I was talking to. I didn't know what I wanted to do with the content, and I was overthinking it because I wasn't connected to my deep purpose. Or I had my purpose, actually, that's not true. I had my purpose, but I didn't really know what the end game was. And the thing is, the end game or the goal of it has shifted over time. The more I interact with people and the more I've seen how working or being in the online space has unfolded. And I've had to really sit and stay connected to my values and go to spiritual direction and go to therapy and cry about the hate comments or be like, no, whatever, those hate comments reveal where that person's at. And navigating all of that by connecting to my deep purpose to share spiritual formation. This is my first channel here. You can check it out below where I talk all about spiritual formation, understanding God's voice, finances, and integrate everything into our faith and our relationship with God. But I've been having a blast helping my friend get her business online. And she's actually had 3 videos that we've done, and she revived an old channel. I'll talk about that in another video, like kind of my process with her. Again, I was just saying, let's see if this works. And as we were working one-on-one, I say, try this. And she's seen traction in 2025. That's when I'm making this video. It's a passion of mine to walk with people who actually want to take their business or their practice, whether that's therapy, a fitness coach, even if you're not explicitly Christian, but you are a Christian and you want to show up on YouTube and not chase views and not have it take over your life and not know where to start, because there's a lot of fluff and a lot of do this, do that, try this, earn all this money, and it can be really confusing. And in the programs I was in to help me with YouTube, one of the biggest drawbacks was me not having somebody to walk alongside me who, 1, knew YouTube, 2, could understand my heart and where I was going, and then help me make a personalized plan step by step of the way. But so many programs that I see online are cookie cutter. Do it my way so that you can get X results. And some of those results, they thin the herd by the time they get to the end. That only very few people get those results because they're willing to grind and do all of this. And I don't want you to have to grind. YouTube is a lot of work. I've spent probably thousands of hours, not getting any return for my money, but I've learned to do it with joy, not all the time. So that's what I'm going to do on this channel. If you want to follow along with me, I'm going to make this very simple. I have no clue where this is going to go, but if you are starting a YouTube channel or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this might be your sign. If you have a message, if you have a business and you love the Lord and you want to stay connected to your vision, then I hope that this YouTube channel is going to help you with step-by-step simple things to not have it take over your life, to not lose your mind, but to get the needle moving in your business, to have organic traffic, because everyone's on YouTube right now. Not everyone, but a lot of people are on YouTube right now. So if you've been consuming content and been wanting to start on YouTube, but you don't know what to do, hit the subscribe button and follow along for the journey. And I hope to be of some value and to offer you some type of shortcut to the process. I bless you all. Comment down below if you have a business or if you're interested in something like that, and then maybe some of your problems. I know that's a lot of prompts, but hey, we're just starting, we're just doing it. That's gonna be my first thing to you when people say on YouTube, just start, just start. Yeah, you need to just start. I'm not gonna highly edit this video, I'm keeping it easy. I'm just rambling right now. I'm 5 minutes in, sorry. I'm looking at the screen up here. And I look forward to having you in this part of the journey. Obviously, my main channel is my passion. I love it. I love serving people in the Flourish Collective, all those things. But this has been something that I've been thinking about doing. So let's try it. You'll never know if we don't try. So if you want to be on YouTube, let's do it together. Okay, so stoked to see you in the next video.